Hi guys, welcome to Craft Create Paint. Today we are going to be making Easter buckets. They're really small but they're really cute too. You can put whatever you want inside, but I have put chocolate and they're amazing gifts for your family. You don't have to use buckets, you can use any items in your house you want. So I'm going to be making in this video one for my cuz and I am choosing one bucket, but which one would you choose? I've chosen this light green. It's a really nice colour. To make these easier to move, let's stack them up. Let's get these out the way. Now here are all the items you may need. A hot glue gun. I got these cute little stickers from my Easter bunny. Then I also got some nice little beads, a mini bucket, some shredded tissue paper, and some paint pens. Well, I'm using white. And if you like my little pencil pot, then go to my other video. So I'm going to just write my cousin's name on it. All done. Now I'm going to choose my sticker. So they've got quite cute designs, and I am going to choose. I've chosen this cute little design. Doesn't that look cute? It's a cute little bunny. Now I'm going to stick my butterfly on, and I've chosen this colour to go with the paint pen. Now I just got my hot glue gun and I'm going to stick it on. Now I've got some magenta tissue paper and I'm just going to put it inside of that. Just get off these ends and put them inside. Time to choose some chocolate. Now I'm just going to choose one of the bunnies. Okay. Now, I'm just going to pop this like that and just put these two in front of it. Now, wasn't that easy? And they're amazing gifts for Easter. I hope you enjoyed this quick video on how to make Easter buckets. Like and subscribe. Bye from Craft Create Paint.